Please mind the gap.
Good morning. We're here in Hong Kong Station. Yesterday we arrived here in Hong Kong. It's actually a celebration of my son's 7th birthday. Belated happy birthday, Toby. So we're staying in Novotel, Hong Kong. Today we're going to Victoria Peak. So pupunta kami ng Peak Tram. So we used the MTR train to get here sa Hong Kong Station. So galing kaming Tung Chung Station. Yung Novotel kasi is near City Gate outlet store. So nandoon yung Tung Chung Station. So hanapin namin ng bus station to take a bus to the Peak Tram. So kanina from the hotel we took the Tung Chung line. So from Tung Chung Station we ended here sa Hong Kong Station. We exited sa exit A. Now we're in IFC Mall. If I'm not mistaken, dito yung malaking Apple Store. And they say it's cheaper daw to buy phones and MacBooks here and iPads. Siguro cheaper ng mga around 5,000 to 10,000 compared back dyan sa Pilipinas. So tignan lang natin yung store. Wala naman akong balak bumili. Yun. So ito yung Apple Store. O, di ba? Parang 3 floors siya, oh. So from here we'll try to take a bus papunta sa Peak Tram. So we're here sa the Peak Tram station. Yes, sit here. Okay. So we're now riding the Peak Tram. Akit tayo sa... Saan tayo pupunta, kuya? Oh, no. So we're going to Victoria Peak or the Peak. It's actually the highest hill dito sa Hong Kong Island. Around 552 meters ang taas niya. So isa to sa pinupuntahang destination here in Hong Kong. Let's see kung ano makikita. Sa side na to? Right, okay. So, sa Victoria Peak, ang kagandahan doon is we can see the Victoria Harbour and makikita din natin ang skyscrapers ng Hong Kong. Nice, di ba? Kaya isa to sa madalas puntahan ng mga tourist here. And we're here. Can eat lunch here. Alam ko may view deck pa dito eh. We'll check it out. Let's go. I'm waiting for them. So, maraming stores here. Souvenir shops, food. Pwede tayong mag-lunch dito. It's 11 a.m. So look at that. Victoria Harbour and the skyscrapers of Hong Kong. Ah! Nakakatakot. Nice, no? Yeah, you're brave. You're not afraid of heights. So may mga shops pa here. So, akyat tayo sa Sky Terrace. Let's see kung ano makikita. Chef. Eto na tayo. Mukhang uulan. What? I think we're going to what? Yeah, you want candy? You can buy candy, don't worry. Okay. Dark clouds. Picture? Go up. Here. Let's walk here. Hindi ko nadala yung ano ko, Sayang. Mr. Sims, old sweet shop. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pagbili ng candy. So that's Victoria Peak. So let's get something to eat muna for lunch. So we're done here sa the Peak Tower. Balik tayo sa Peak Tram. Okay. We bought round trip tickets kasi. So dapat balik kami sa Peak Tram. Here, here. Goodbye for now. The Peak Tower. Goodbye, Victoria Peak. See you next time. Ano, we'll never go back. See you next time. Awkward lang, no? Babaliktad tayo.